Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I made 53,841 naira just in 6 days here on this platform in Nigeria. So I will make sure I will make this video as brief as possible. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to end, and then you are going to definitely make a result as good as this or even better than this. So guys, this platform is actually a gaming platform, but the gaming structure is actually different from the gaming that you know. So I'm going to show you how you can earn on this platform. As you can see right here, we have made a total amount of 53,841 naira. And then if you check our total balance, you are going to see that we are having 991.93 naira right here. So this platform now then get signal where them they send. So if they send you that signal, wetin you go do now be say you go come copy that signal. The signal they used to send are usually correct. They are usually correct, but I'm also going to tell you how you can deal with it so that you are going to make a result as good as this or even better than this. So for you to get on board right now and immediately, you just have to check the description section of this video. You are going to see the first link there. So that first link, now what you are going to do is to click on it, make sure you register, and after registration then you come over to this place and I'll tell you what next you have to do to earn on this platform. You are also going to see our Telegram group link and also that of WhatsApp. You can also join it so that you are not going to miss out on any updates that we are going to be dropping. So guys, if you come over to this place right now, that's if you register and then you come over to the home section, you are going to see the interface of this platform. So wetin you go do next now be say you no go play any of these casino games, because casino games, you know, as usual how them they take be. You might be losing much on casino games, so don't bother playing what do they call it, lotto or this other one. What is it called? Let me check. Let me see. Aviator. Yes, don't bother playing any of these games. Just go ahead to click on lottery right here. So if you click on lottery right here, you are going to click on go win. So this go win over here is what you are going to click on next. So if you click on go win right here, just as I told you earlier, we are having 984 naira 43 kobo right here on this platform. And before we proceed, guys, I didn't tell you the minimum to deposit on this platform is just 1,000, and also the minimum to withdraw is just 1,000. For you to deposit, I'm not going to waste much time explaining it because it's very simple. You just come over to this deposit place, you click on it. There will be a pop-up of an account which you are going to copy and make the transaction, and there will also be a narration, something like that. So you head over to your bank app, you make the transaction, and after making the transaction, you come over here and click I have made the transaction, and it is going to automatically reflect. If it happens that it doesn't reflect, I've already dropped the customer service or customer agents link on the description section of this video, so you can also chat them on Telegram. It's as simple and as easy as that. So if you come over to this place right now, the next thing is to go over to the description section of this video. You are going to see their Telegram link. That Telegram link is where they used to drop signals. So that's those signals. Now I will tell you what exactly you need to do with these signals. Let me show you some similarities before we proceed. So let's head over to the Telegram group. So this is the Telegram group right here. Just check this. If you check, you are going to see period, you are going to see the select and also the stage. So the period is showing 187, the select is showing big, and then the stage is showing 2. The stage has no much significance here, but what you are going to be checking is the period and the select here. So you come over to this place now. That stage, that select is showing big, right? So what you are going to select here is big before you play or you place any bet. And then the last 3 digits over here must correspond with what they are showing over there. I don't know if you understand. Okay, wait first. So what is being displayed right here is 188. So that 188, you just come over to this place. Okay, this one is still showing 187. So you don't have to play this game. You have to wait till it updates. So guys, before we proceed in this video, if you are enjoying this video and you want to know more and you also want to gain more knowledge on how to make money online, you can just come over to this place right now. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification so that anytime we drop more updates on how to make money online in Nigeria, you are going to be notified. Just come over to this place, just subscribe. You are going to see the subscription button just under my profile. You're going to see it somewhere around. So let me just give you a few seconds to do that, and I will be very, very happy and very grateful that you did so. So if you have done that, thank you very much. Now let's proceed to the video. So guys, if we go back to their group, you can see now that they have dropped the let me say the signal that corresponds with the one we saw earlier on the site, which is 188. So this 188 now, they say you should select small and the period is 188. So you just head over to the app right here and then make sure you select go in 5 minutes. So if you select this go in 5 minutes, then the next thing to do is to check if it corresponds 188 over here. Okay, it corresponds 188 and we are having 984 naira. So it says we should select small. So you are just going to go here, select small, and if you select small, you now put in an amount that you want to use to play. Let's say it's 100 or 200 or 300. So depending how much you want to use. So let's use 100 naira to play this game right now, and then we click total amounts. Okay, let's place the bet. Okay, bet succeed. Now the next thing now to do is just to wait patiently for this countdown to be over. Immediately it's over, we are going to know if we won this bet or if we didn't win this bet. There's something about this game. You don't have to be greedy on this game. Just make sure you have a target every single day. If you are making like 1,000 naira from this platform every day, is a gain, it's not a loss for you. Then if you are making something like 2,000 every day, is also a gain for you. So make sure, depending the amounts that you deposited, make sure you are going to just make a target for yourself that I must be making so amounts on this platform every single day. So guys, we are still heading over, we are still waiting for the countdown. Is 12 seconds remaining right now, and you can see now that we are having 884 naira right now. So let's wait to see if we actually won this bet. So let's wait. Okay, we actually lost this bet right here. You can see, sorry. So since we lost this bet, it's just the same way that you are going to do it. There will be another signal that will be posted on the group. So what you are going to do here now is to copy it again. You can see the last 3 digits, which is 189. So this 189 right now, we just head over to the group again and just wait till they post the signal. So immediately they post the signal, we are still going to go back. Okay, they have posted it. So the period right here says 189, which is what is supposed to be, and then they say you should select small. So let's head over to the site once more and then select small and put in, let's be using 200 naira this time around. Okay, 200 naira, and let's place the bet. Now after placing it, you can see right here that our amount is now showing 6 184 naira. Now let's wait to see if we actually won this bet. The countdown is still going on. It's remaining 3 minutes, so I'll be pausing this video immediately. It's remaining few seconds. We are still going to continue to see if we won the bet. Okay guys, it's remaining few seconds right now. Now let's see if we actually won this bet. Alright guys, so as you can see, we just won the bet, and as you can see right here, we are now having 1076.43 naira. That means I am eligible to place a withdrawal right now, but I won't be placing a withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, it's very simple. You just click on this withdraw button. So this is how you can play the GoWin game on this platform and earn right here in Nigeria. You are going to be making your money. Even if you're a student, you can make money as a student in Nigeria. You can make money as a stay-at-home mom. You can make money, you can just make money on this platform anyhow you want it, especially using this GoWin game. So this GoWin game is just the best for me as regards to anything casino. It's also a casino, but this one is kind of different because they send signals. So you can just get on board on this platform. And I also want to tell you, make sure you are not greedy, because if you say you dey greedy, make sure say you go dey ready to lose on this platform. But if you are not greedy, just make out a target every single day. You might just be making 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira on this platform. Immediately you hit your target, make sure you stop. That is my advice. Make sure you stop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big like and a big thumbs up, because it's going to be helping the channel to boost the channel and also help us to find more updates on how to make money online here in Nigeria. And have a nice day, and see you guys in my next video.